Okay. I was hesitant to make this video, then I thought to myself, I'm a sort of a crotch out sort of guy. Not literally. Why not? This is, and by the way, I was contacted by another person who took a really expensive travel workshop with someone else. Don't ask me who, and I'm not going to tell you. And bad things went down. It was an unhappy and very expensive experience. Even worse than like sticking your money or rolling it in the craps in Las Vegas, just watching your money just vanish. This is how the workshop scam works. Okay? So-and-so personality, whatever sort of photographer they are. Hi, how are you doing? Take my workshop. What they do is they go overseas to X exotic location, wherever that be, Africa, Iceland, wherever the hell. Not going to say where. This is how they all work. And they make deals, package deals. Like, well, if you could bring at least 10 people in, we're going to give you not only a big discount, but all your stuff is going to be free. And then they make deals with the travel people to, tour so-and-so spot. And they make package deals for shuffling people around, and package deals for the food. Like, hey, if you bring in 15 people, we'll give you a 30% discount and all your meals will be free. So what you do is you sign up for this exotic travel workshop, and then, you see your favorite personality or whatever. And you think, it's like, well, that's how much it would cost. If I were to go by myself, they're charging me like another 30% on top of what this trip would cost me. So I'm paying for the cost of this trip plus 30% to be with this person. If that's what you want, who cares? I don't give a damn. Whatever makes you happy and tickles your pickle. But what they're doing is they're reaping 20 to upwards of 50%. It averages about 30% off of what the trip would actually cost, because they themselves have bought a bulk rate for however many people they got at X discount. And then they're pocketing that, and on top of what they're pocketing off of what they're saving from the arrangements that they made with the places that they travel to, they are, of course, taking, substantial amount of money from each person, and usually it needs to be net 10 plus people. And so they've got a lot of money from 10 plus people, but on top of a lot of money, this is the part where it works out for them really good. On top of the 30% that they are taking for themselves to, what you're paying to be with them, and like, oh my God, I can't believe you're here. They're making a substantial money off of what you're paying for hotel room, food, board, transport, because they're getting a discount. And so you are paying them for that trip, but since they are getting a discount, they're taking what they make. Okay, and then on top of that, they're taking in a lot of money from what he or she, the person that's setting it up, is saving for the workshop in the exotic location. So that's a ton of money. A ton of money. But actually there's an addition onto that. They get a free vacation out of it. Yeah. So they get a free trip. They make a bunch of money off what you pay to see them. That's kind of like obvious, right? But they're also making a ton of money off the package deal that they make with the hotels and the restaurants and the transport and the food. Yes. Yes, they are. This is not my opinion. So this is how the exotic photography workshop travel, scam works. Is it a scam? Is that qualified denotatively as a scam? Or is that like, I think it qualifies as a scam. I don't know, you're getting something, but you also get something at Las Vegas when you throw your money away, right? It's like, hey, I got the gamble. You just threw your money away on that table. Did you have fun? Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Here's an alternative. This is what a really intelligent person would do. Like, if I didn't know much about photography, I would buy 10 of the best ebooks on photography. Yeah. I'd read 4 or 5 of them before I went on the trip. Then I'd read 4 or 5 as I was on the trip, and I would teach myself on the way, and I'd save a lot of money. Yeah. Maybe some people just enjoy, I mean, if you want to pay a ton of money to see somebody that you idolize, whatever. I guess it's worth it. It means whatever you feel like is. But that anyway, that is how the workshop scam works. I've had more than a few people email me. It's like, oh my God, I took this expensive workshop and I got scammed or bad stuff happened, and man, this was really miserable. One guy recently made a video about it. He's covered in tattoos like me. He's driving down the desert and he's filming himself with I guess a GoPro as he's driving. It's like a 1 hour video almost of, it's like he's driving in some sort of desolate location. It was a really intelligent video review of the workshop thing that he did or paid for. And he kind of came to a self-realization in the video. So if you ever wanted to know how it works, that's how it works. They make a bunch of money, and they make a bunch more money off the discounts that they get off the food, travel packages, hotel. Yeah, that's the facts. I'm sure someone's going to really hate this video. It's like, you know what do you got to hate? I'm not selling you anything. I'm just saying this is how the scam works. That is how the scam works. Are you going to hate me for it? I'm not selling you anything. Some people like hate on everything. It's like, I hate that fat ball. That's good. If you hate me so much, why are you watching? Watch something that makes you happy. Watch one of the channels where they talk sweet to you and they scam you at the end. If I were actually unethical, I would do that. I'd like kiss everybody's butt, and then I'd like try to sting them at the end somehow with affiliate links or some sort of nonsense about workshops, right? Okay. Yep. Each to their own. You do what makes you happy. I've had a lot of people ask me, so what do you think about workshops? It's like, oh, I should make a video about that and how that scam works. Specifically the travel workshops. Join me in exotic location. We're going to go travel to Zimbabwe and shoot elephants. And yeah, sleep under the sun and, count the stars and whatever. Save your money, right? Save it. Bye.